I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to disable the touchscreen so that maybe when you're going swimming or there's water droplets on your watch, you don't have those phantom touches doing things on your watch. Or maybe when you have a kid around and they keep playing with your watch and you don't want them pressing things around. So to lock or disable the touchscreen, simply swipe down to the quick settings and you're looking for this icon right here, this one that looks like a finger pointing up, this one right here. So just tap on that, and once you tap on it, you should see this screen. Confirm with a check mark, and that's going to disable the touchscreen. So as you can see, currently nothing is happening on the touchscreen. Now to get out of this mode, just long press on this button and then the screen lock will be disabled. So that is basically how to disable the touchscreen, or how to make the touchscreen insensitive to touches on your OnePlus Watch 2. Thanks for watching and good luck.